Hello, children. This is Auntie Anne. I have here with me Smart.
Hi.
And Jack.
Hello.
Do you know, children, Smart is the big strawberry in your book, and Jack is his best friend. We will teach you and your friends how to read easily and quickly. Believe us, reading is simple and fun.
Yeah!
What are A, B, C, Smart and Jack?
They are letters of the alphabet.
Yes, there are 26 letters in the alphabet, and each comes in a big letter and a small letter. Can you name the letters, Smart?
Yes, of course. They are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M.
Can you continue from there, Jack?
Sure. N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Good. These letters are also divided into consonants and vowels. What are vowels, Smart?
The vowels are A, E, I, O, U.
What are consonants, Jack?
The consonants are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Very good. Do you remember the Vowels song? The title of this song is Vowels, I Love You. Children, shall we sing together?
Come, let us sing. All of you are going to love this song. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Vowels I should know. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Vowels I love you. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Vowels I should know. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Vowels I love you.
Well done. Do you know that every letter has its own sound? Shall we begin with the letter A? A, as in apple and arrow.
A, apple, arrow.
B, as in bear and bee.
B, bear, bee.
C, as in cat and cup.
Seek, cat, cup.
Are all the children out there following us? Good. Now, can Smart, Jack, and all the children say the sound twice?
Yes.
D, as in doll and door.
D, doll. D, door.
E, as in elephant and egg.
E, elephant, and E, egg.
F, as in fish and fan.
F for fish and F for fan.
G, g, as in girl and glass.
G, g, girl. G, g, glass.
H, h, as in horse and house.
H, her horse. H, her house.
Excellent! Let's hear the children say it louder and clearer. I, E, as in ink and itch.
I, E, ink. I, E, itch.
J, j, as in jug and jam.
J, j, jug. J, j, jam.
K, k, as in kite and key.
K, k, kite. K, k, key.
L, l, as in lemon and lion.
L, lemon. L, lion.
M, as in moon and man.
M, moon. M, man.
Right. From now on, I want to hear you repeat the words faster than your friends. N, as in net and nut.
N, net. N, nut.
O, as in orange and orchid.
O, orange. O, orchid.
P, as in pen and pool.
P, pen. P, pool.
Q, as in queen and quilt.
Q, queen. Q, quilt.
R, as in ruler and rain.
R, ruler. R, rain.
You are doing fine. Let's move on with S. S, as in sun and skirt.
S, sun. S, skirt.
T, as in tap and tub.
T, tap. T, tub.
U, as in urn and urchin.
U, urn. U, urchin.
V, as in vase and van.
V, vase. V, van.
W has almost the same sound as V, but always remember W has a lower pitch. W sounds like W, as in watch and wall.
W, watch. W, wall.
X, as in Xmas tree and X-ray.
X, Xmas tree. X, X-ray.
Y, as in yo-yo and yarn.
Y, yo-yo. Y, yarn.
We have come to the last letter, Z. And Z sounds Z as in zip and zebra.
Z, zip. Z, zebra.
Wonderful, children! We have put all the sounds of the letters into a song simply called The Sounds of A, B, C. Let's sing along.
Elephant, F for fish. G, girl, and
you have enjoyed this read-along session with us. We have just completed Smart Reader Level 1. Be sure to get your Smart Reader Level 2. Remember, reading is simple and fun. Bye! Bye now, Smart and Jack.
Bye-bye!